Have you noticed that the daily schedule is full of toenail trims? Olivia Kelza here, and as an employee at a veterinary clinic, one of the most important tasks that I am trusted with is trimming dogs' nails. Although, since they are not flat, they are technically not nails. They are not hooves either, as they do not bear weight, but are claws. The term your clients will be familiar with, however, is toenail trim, which vets often abbreviate to TNT. Dogs no longer run wild, wearing down their nails as fast as they grow. Unless your patients lead very active lifestyles, they will need to be cut regularly, about once a month minimum. Dogs' nails consist of two layers, a hard outer covering and a softer flaky layer within called the quick. The faster growth of the quick is what gives the dog's nail its characteristic curl. It can be difficult to see these details on very small dogs or dark-colored nails. You may use a variety of tools to get the job done, including guillotine or pliers-style trimmers or a Dremel. The sharper the blade, the less long you will have to restrain a struggling dog. If you cut the quick, it will cause the dog pain and it will bleed. Styptic powder will stop the bleeding, but it does cause a stinging sensation to the dog. When dogs learn to associate a toenail trim with pain, they begin to fear the whole process even before it has begun. A struggling dog will only make it more likely that it will get hurt during the process. Some dogs' panic will turn into aggression, which is part of why it is so common for owners to bring their dogs into the vet for a toenail trim. Preventing fear is why it is so important not to accidentally cut the quick. Many small cuts are better than one large cut, and together with patience and gentleness, will teach the dog that the sound and feeling are not to be feared. If you do not cut close enough to the quick, the nail will grow unchecked and become elongated. You should not be able to hear the click of a dog's nails on the floor when they walk. If they become long enough to touch the floor, the pressure pushing back on the paw can cause difficulty with mobility and damage to the joints. If they are long enough to get caught on something, they can disconnect from the nail bed painfully. In extreme cases, a long nail will curl and grow into the pad of the paw. This nearly always causes infection. The best way to get a quick to recede is to trim the overgrown nails weekly until regular maintenance can resume. Thanks for listening.